In this video, I am going to add the TinyMCE rich text editor to the detail page. Okay, so that our detail page will become more beautiful. This is the tiny text editor documentation. Go to the basic setup and scroll down and you will get basic configuration example. Here you will get the plugins, toolbar or menu bar and more. So just copy the code. And here create a HTML like test.html. Now paste it. Now save it and go live. Okay, so this is the extension go live. So you can see this, the tiny text editor. So go to the documentation of tiny rich text editor, link in description. Go and check it. Here you will get the more option. Okay, this is a very beautiful rich text editor. So I am going to add this rich text editor in the model. So go to the admin and go to stories and go to the any story. Here in the body field I want to add this rich text field editor TinyMCE. Okay, so here I use the DOM property of JavaScript. So just go to the project and go to settings.py, and here at first you have to set the static file dirs. So here I have already set the static file dirs os.path.join base dir and static. Okay, and go to the story. This is the Django application and go to the admin.py. So just go to the admin in the browser, and so you can see in the story model I just want to add the tiny rich text editor in the body field. So here is a class story admin and here is list display. Before I add the tiny rich text editor, I want to add the search fields. So search field by title and by body and also by description. And you can add it or not, it is your choice. So I just add title or body and go to the models. Here title or body are the two fields. Okay, just save it and run the server. So just run the localhost and go to the admin and go to the story. So you can see now the search field has been added here. So you can search for the any story. Okay, so the happy prince, this word will contain in the body or the title field. So just save it and run it again. So you can see now the only happy prince has available. Okay, so now go to the story and go to the admin.py and here add a class media. The media class will join the JavaScript. I will create this JavaScript file later in the static folder. Just name it tiny.js. I will create this in static folder. Okay, so just save it, and our static directory is the base dir, means the directory of manage.py. So here create a folder named static, and inside the static folder create a file tiny.js. So you have to remember that before you add the static folder you have to set the static files dir os.path.join base dir and static. Now type the JavaScript code for the DOM property. So at first create a variable. So you can use var or let. So var tiny, 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 this is the variable, equal document.createElement, document.createElement and script. Okay, and so now type tiny dot type equal text slash JavaScript. Now type the source of the TinyMCE. So tiny tiny.src source equal. Now add the CDN of the TinyMCE. So go to the test.html. Actually this is this. Okay, so now copy this, paste here, tiny.source. Okay, so now type document.head.append child and append the child tiny. Okay, so type document.head.append child and append child tiny, tiny. Okay, now type tiny.onload equal function. So type tiny.onload equal function. Okay, so when the web page is loading, the function will run. Add a first bracket and inside the curly bracket write the tiny code. So go to the tiny doc and here copy this and paste here. So now the selector is the hashtag my text area. So you have to change this. Go to the admin and click on any story, and you have to know the ID of this body. So just click on inspect and find the ID of this body field. Okay, so here the ID of the body field is ID_body. So I use this. Now copy it, ID_body, or you can write ID_body here. So type hashtag ID_body. This is the ID for the body field. So now save it and go to the admin, and here tiny.js will connect this JavaScript to your model. Now run the server and run the localhost. Go to the admin, go to the story and click on any story. So you can see now the tiny text editor has been added here. So this is for what? This is for you have no API key. Okay, so just if you have API key then it's better, otherwise you can use it. So go to the tiny.js and here is no API key. If you have API key then it's good. So now you can design it. Here are many tools available. And also make sure the safe filter. So go to the storydetail.html and here make sure your body have a safe filter. So story.body and this is safe. This is the important, otherwise it will not work. Now I want to add a story. So just go to admin and go to stories and go to add story. Select a category or create a category. I just select a category Oscar Wilde and I just add this story, the Nightingale and the Rose. Okay, so I use the tiny text editor. So here I just write written by Oscar Wilde. So you can change the color. Okay, so just select it and change the color. You can change the size also. So just go to format and go to font sizes, just increase the size. Okay, so now copy and paste the story. So just copy it and paste here. Okay, so you can add a picture also. So just paste the source of the picture. So I just found a picture of Oscar Wilde. So just find a picture of Oscar Wilde. So just right click and copy the image address and paste here in the source. and you can select the height and width. So just I choose the height and width 500, and alternate description is Oscar Wilde. So now save it, so you can see that. Okay, so write some descriptions about the story. Okay, this description will show in the list page, so just save it and type the localhost. So you can see the nightingale and the rose has been added here. So you can change the order of the all story. So go to the models, add the story, and here change the ordering by reverse of publish. So just save it. So add a minus and save it, and just refresh it, so you can see the reverse order. So click on the nightingale and the rose, so you can see the detail page of the story. So you can design it by Tiny Text Editor. Go and design it and create some story. Thank you for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in next video.